Hi everybody, this is Kyle Burke with MarineMax here in Lake of the Ozarks. I got another beautiful G23 from Nautique. This one has the Masters Blue metal flake with the Lunar White hull. Lunar White's a new color for us. It's beautiful, kind of cream off-white color. We paired that with the sand interior and white accents and the Mocha Sea Deck. We used the white Nautique Chromax. It's a beautiful setup. This boat has a 6.2 liter 450 horsepower motor from PCM, along with the Nautique steering system and the Nautique surf system. This has the automated tower and the 2 sets of JL 8.8s in a custom Nautique enclosure. This is a beautiful boat for the Lake of the Ozarks. Just got her unwrapped. Look for a full walkthrough video to come.